With all this pre-designed stuff you learned in course 1, you're now ready to start working with the software and designing some objects. Think of it as a time to untap some talents. The first piece of software we'll be using is Adobe Illustrator. We'll just refer to it as Illustrator from now on. Some of you may be familiar with this program as a graphics design software, and that's exactly what it is. You may see it as a complement program to Photoshop and Adobe Creative Cloud. So why are we learning this and not some fancy dedicated CAD program? Well, we'll be learning some fancy CAD later in this course, but as you'll find, Illustrator is a very robust and accessible program used by most, if not all, the maker spaces and online laser cutting bureaus. First of all, Illustrator is very affordable via monthly subscription. It exists in most schools and libraries, plus once you learn it, there are completely free open source options you may opt to use that you will find you already magically know how to use. On top of that, it's really a great 2D CAD program and does things that many programs in that price range cannot do. We won't be using it to design things like furniture, though we could, but we will be using it to put a design on furniture and make some other stuff. The benefit to using Illustrator is its vector making abilities. Illustrator is one of those few programs out there that can turn a raster image into a vector with a click of a few buttons, which is the main reason to learn it. Now, another reason is that Illustrator exports vectors very cleanly with a lot of different extensions. And that means you can import and use your vectors in other CAD programs. It's really easy to learn, and though you can do a lot with it as a design program for print, we'll be using just a handful of tools to do what we want, so there's lots of room for you to explore on your own. So let's get started.